I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Norton security app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, so then it's going to take you to apps list here, and here can you looking for Norton security app, or just click on search, then here search for it, you click on Norton security app, then it's going to take you to this list, you click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage, you come to storage list, just click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, so you click on your Play Store here, then here can you search for Norton security app, it's going to show for you like this, you will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.